tonight.
Well started, Russell. Once you get my link of the work that I've done for you, the link of the work of the shredder, you must have the same folder that I have here, Simul Russell Priscina. Okay, you can see there is a lot of archives, so you can see there is many of them. There is 53 items. Okay, first thing first, you see that I put some things more. Some is, I think, the last design is this one. Okay, you can see that it have a box. Oh no, I think that this design have a box below all of, no, here is the bucket that I put in the simulation. This allows you to see the particles that is shredded for passing here this part here that you say that is more to try to get the pieces mm, smaller than the parts of shredder. Okay, so getting more here. First thing that I will need you to know that is that when you going to open the add-on particles, one of these files is I need you to turn off your internet, because if you try to open some add-on files with your internet on, the license will not be activated. So turn off your internet and then try to open the add-on file. The add-in files, you can see that we have two pairs of 4 files. Okay, do not in any case erase none of these files, because some is very important to another ones. Okay, the files of add-in that you can execute is this file that have 3 kilobytes of size. Okay, so you can see that you have two simulations of adding. Okay, this one barrels are created, this one have the 4 bottles, and this one have just 1 bottle. Okay, this is fully completed simulations. But in Recordine just only open this last simulation. Okay, because I run the same project but with different bottles. This have 4, this have just 1. But if you want to run with just 1 bottle, I think that, let me see, I don't know much, but I think this one is the file that is just have 1 bottle. Let me try to make you see this. Okay, Here, as you can see, turn the particles in cyan, the color of it. Okay, you can do a bunch of things here. You can quit this this split version. Just clicking here. You can put put it one more time. Click again. Okay, here you can rotate, can translate, can do everything. These are the views that you can see. Okay, so this is one thing. With the full bottles, you can see that you have 10 seconds of simulation. A lot of things. Okay, and for Recordine, I think I think it is. Once you get these files, I can help you to try to load the last animation that you have just one bottle, but I think this is not useful. Here, I well, I can see this modify the velocity. I put the just 11 rads per second. Here, so that we can put the velocities rads per second. Here you can see too that you have other geometry of this housing. This helps to shred better and grab better the the bottles. But the archive, that the file that you sent me, you can see that shredder were used to shred paper, I think. So you need to try to avoid, you must avoid the rounded geometries, because it is not too good to I don't know how to say it in English, but I think the name is late or cut the materials. Okay, you can see too that a lot of things that you can improve to. You can see that in the end of the simulation, and I think this so and so forth, this part of the bottle that is in the corners are not shredded. You can improve this too. And I think this is it for Recordine. Now I will show you the things in Eden. Okay, first things first, I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi, and I'm double click here. 3 kilobytes, and the bottles are created. Okay, you can see that this is the problem that we have. We're going to have the license problem. Try again. Okay, I'm not going to. This is good because I will show you how to fix this. Okay, we're gonna open Eden. We're going to here, click here, subnet servers. Go double right click here, add feature from file to server, and in my case the license is here. Okay, in this folder, but you will select this Eden license file wherever you had put it. Okay, so clicking open. Okay, I think the now it's okay. Saw it. My Eden is dark mode. Do not I don't know how to say, do not scare of it. Okay, and uh you are able to have others others parameters of simulation. Okay, but I will not explain you here how to have it. Okay, you can explain for yourself, or other time I will you you can ask me for help or something. Okay, so I think this is it for adding tools, more basic of it. I will now say you how to run this simulation. The parameters are all there. I think the in my video showed how to put and extract them. Okay, let's now open my modifier. Modified file. What kind of thing? Okay, okay. Just think the blades are not here. No, I don't know why. Because I did model it here in CATIA. This is an interesting thing, but I have saved it in step mode, so let us open it in step. Sometimes I don't know why this CATIA do is with its own files. Sometimes it are not able to open its own files. I don't know why. Here you can see that is a little squared geometry. I don't know why this is just like this, but when you export it from Recordine, it's all rounded. It's all okay with it. Okay. Here are missing some parts of, but you can see in the strange thing here, because the geometries are not parallel. The blades that I'm seeing. I think that all right. I just modified your draw, so all the other parameters obey this one. So I had rotated one by one the blades in the Recordine with the resources that we have in Recordine. I rotated to get all in the same direction. Here, here, here. I think you understand what I'm saying. And the other parts is that this one and these ones, the blades, is all the same with that bucket that I explained you before. Okay, so I think this is it. If you have more question about it, you can ask me. You have my contacts and the other things. Okay, so thank you and bye bye. See you next time.